Your advertisement work, Disney? After seeing your ad for this drama, pinanood ko na rin. Medyo mali na pinapanood ko ito tuwing madaling araw. Matakotin kasi ako at medyo horror yung simula. Akala ko kasi magical, feel-good drama to since nirelease to around Christmas of 2024. Not knowing na may horror aspect siya. So kung matakotin kayo tulad ko, be warned. Pero kinaya ko naman, so kaya nyo rin yan. Spoiler warning, maraming stories na kailangan sundan para dito. May bus accident kasi at napunta sa ICU ang mga pasahero. So in between life and death sila at napunta sila sa afterlife kung saan kailangan nila hanapin ang light shop para magising sila sa kanilang mga coma. Kung hindi nila mahanap, wala na, bye-bye na. Ang heartbreaking ng mga stories actually. Kasi this is all about the will to live ng mga tao and why they want to live given their different life situations. I recommend you watch this drama since may lang naman. But by the end naman, obvious that they're setting up for season 2. So, pwede pa kayo humabol. All 8 episodes are streaming now on Disney+.